Hey, what's up guys? It's Jonathan here from Daddy Guitar Lessons. Now we've finished Kappa Week. We're going to start off with something new. It is called Legends Week. And we're going to start off Legends Week with none other than the man in black himself, Mr. Johnny Cash. And it's not the 9 Inch Nails cover. This one is Ring of Fire. So stay tuned. We're going to zoom in. I'm going to show you how to play this song step by step, the easy way. So, Johnny Cash with Ring of Fire. It's only 3 chords. It's going to be the chords G, the chord C add 9. This one you guys should know by now. We've played a couple of songs using C add 9. If you guys did not know this chord, just hit the link on top to go straight to the lessons. Alright, so it's going to be the chord G, the chord C add 9, and the chord D. Only 3 chords, quite easy to switch between them as well. Sounds familiar? Hang around, we're going to zoom in and learn Ring of Fire the easiest way possible right now. The man in black, Mr. Johnny Cash, with the song Ring of Fire. So the 3 chords you guys are going to need to know will be the chord G, the chord C add 9, and of course the chord D. So it's easy. I'm going to refer to C add 9 as C in this lesson just to make it easier to sing along with the song while you guys are changing your chords. So if you guys do not know how to play C add 9, it's quite easy. Just press down like you would do with a chord G. Leave fingers number 3 and 4 right where they are, and just move fingers number 2 and finger number 1 string down. So 2 will go from 6 to 5, and finger number 1 is going to move from 5 to 4. So that's G. Just move those 2 fingers 1 down, and that is C add 9. You guys are welcome to play C to, but that's much more difficult than to just do. So that is C add 9, you guys just learned. It's a great chord to know. So just a quick recap, it's going to be the chord G, the chord C add 9, but referred to as chord C in this lesson, and of course the chord D. And that's the only chords you guys are going to need to know how to play Ring of Fire. So to play intro for Ring of Fire, it's not the album version, this is a beginner's version. What you guys want to do is just a chord G and a chord C, right? But you guys do not want to strum the whole chord. Just basically the 6, 5, 4 and 3. 6, 5, 4 and 3. These 4 strings. You can even skip the 4th one and only play these 3. You're going to play D, A and E, 4, 5 and 6. So it's going to sound something like this. You guys do not want to strum there. This is just to show you the strings I'm going to strum for the intro. So it's going to sound something like this. And that is how I play a beginner version of this song for the intro. I usually go with the same sort of technique for the verse as well. So you guys can go from the intro. That's how I play the intro for beginner version, and then you guys can go into the verse. Love is a burning thing. chorus. So the intro and the verse, basically the same. It's the same progression for me for beginner version. So you guys can go, let's do the intro and verse in 3, 2, 1, and intro. We're going to do this 4 times. 2 more. 1 more. And now I can go into the verse. Love is a burning thing, and it burns, and C and G. So that's how easy this song can be. With the verse, I like just sometimes to hit these high notes to go. But you guys can go and figure out your own strumming when to hit these. If you guys want some tips on how to do it, just hit the link on top. And that was the verse. So let's jump into the chorus. The chorus, the chords is going to be, it's going to be the chord D, the chord C, and G. So let's just go through it. So 1, then 3, 2, 1. I found G, G, and G, and D, 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 and C, and G. Now say G. G, 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 C, G, G. So that's the chorus. So let's just go through the chorus once more, a bit slower. So it's D, C, and G. In 3, 2, 1, it's I fell into C and G, and D, B, B, and C, and G. And now we're going to stay on G. Burns, burns, burns. C and G, B and G. So that is the chorus. Let's go through the verse and the chorus in 3, 2, 1, and love. So burn and G and C and G. Once more and G and C and G and G and C and G. Now the chorus. I fell and C and G, D, 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 and G, C, and G. Now stay on G. G, burn, burn, C and G, D and G. So that's quite a quick change. But if you guys listen to the song, you guys will pick it up in no time. It's actually a very natural rhythm to follow in the song. So that is the verse and the chorus. It's a really easy song to play with minimal switching between the chords. But if you guys are struggling with switching between chords, hit the link on top. There's some cool and awesome tips for you guys to help you guys switch better, faster, and smoother. So let's do a little play along from the intro, the verse, and the chorus. Let's do it, guys. Ring of Fire in 3, 2, 1. Remember this one. Let's go twice more. G, C and G, and G, and C and G. Alright, so into the verse also G, G, C and G. You guys hear that? G, C and G. Twice more. G, and C and G, and G. The chorus with D. I fell in and C and G. Burns, 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 and C and G. And it burns, 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 and then you guys can do a little and head into the next verse. So that, guys, that was Ring of Fire from the man in black, Mr. Johnny Cash himself. And that was it for the first lesson of Legends Week. That was Johnny Cash with Ring of Fire. That is such a cool song to play and such an easy song to play. If you guys enjoyed this lesson, enjoyed this video, enjoyed the song, hit the like button. Also share this video if you guys want to. You guys watched this far, so you might as well hit the subscribe, hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all our lessons. Also join us on Facebook and on Instagram for some bonus tips and tricks. Stay tuned on this channel, guys. There's some exciting stuff happening and some more songs and stuff happening from Legends Week. I'll see you guys a bit later.